This trainer is 3-phase HV thyristor control trainer model Expo APP1. So this trainer is mainly useful for different types of converters and cycloconverters. So this is the main input panel, input 3-phase DOL starter panel EMT1. So here, with the help of this mains cord, we are taking 3-phase from the main supply. So here is one MCB where the main supply come. After this mains on, whatever the AC supply will come out here. Again there is one DOL starter. This green button is for on, DOL on, and this is DOL stop. Here is R, Y and B, and neutral for contactor output. This is 3-phase bidirectional power cum energy meter panel EMT20. This meter is integrated type 3-phase meter. So this is the input R, Y and B, and this is the output R, Y and B. So this meter will read voltage, 3-phase voltage and 3-phase current. This is the main panel, 3-phase SCR firing synchronizing panel P4A, and this is 6 SCR diode power panel P4B. So in this P4A, we are taking 3-phase input from main supply. This is main selector switch for converter or cycloconverter experiment. This is selector switch for converter experiment and cycloconverter experiment. This is firing angle control pot. With the help of this pot, by wearing this pot, we can control the firing angle of SCR. So here we are giving 3-phase input from the mains, and from here we are giving this 3-phase mains to 6 SCR or 6 diodes. This panel is power panel. Here 6 numbers of SCRs are used and 6 numbers of diodes are used. So making different types of combinations such as 6 SCRs or 3 SCRs, 3 diode or 6 diode. We can make different types of converters such as full wave full control, full wave half control or full wave uncontrolled. This is DC voltmeter and ammeter panel EMT6B. This is voltmeter of 0 to 600 volt, and this is ammeter of 0 to 5 ampere. This is EMT7 load panel. Here we are using 3 bulbs in series for DC load. This is inductive load panel EMT15A. There are 3 types of inductive load, R, Y and B, of 0.75 and 3 Henry of tapping. This is the manual for this 3-phase HV thyristor control trainer P4. Here is the contents, list of figures, list of tables, and unpacking and understanding resources of the panel. Again, there is different types of experiments by using different configuration of 6 SCRs and 6 diodes. Again, by using 6 SCR, we can perform the experiment of 3-phase AC voltage controller. Also, by using 6 SCR, we can study 3-phase cycloconverter. Start. Here is one experiment, 3-phase full wave full control SCR converter with resistive load. Here we are using 6 SCRs in bridge type converter. So R, Y and B are given to one pair of SCR, and cathode of this SCR is connected to the ampere meter and voltmeter, and again to the load. Again here we are connecting one common anode to the voltmeter and load. So here we will see the experiment of three-phase full controlled SCR converter with resistive load. So here this is your block diagram. Some theory part is given here with waveforms. Here is your block diagram of three-phase full control converter experiment, and this is wiring schedule for this experiment, how to connect these SCRs in bridge converter. Here we have connected three-phase full converter experiment. Here we have taken mains from the three-phase supply. Here one dual starter. This is for on and this is for stop. Here you are getting mains voltage. This is line to neutral voltage, and by pressing this V button you will get here line to line voltage. Here is this selector switch should be at converter experiment. Here we have constructed these 6 SCRs in bridge converter, and here DC positive and DC negative we have connected to DC voltmeter panel for measurement purpose, and to DC ammeter for current measurement. Here the voltage generated is near about 600 volt, so we have connected these 300 watt bulbs in series, and again there is one CRO for firing angle and conduction angle measurement. We have connected one power scope here, and the main input of that power scope is connected across the load. So here this is the firing angle pot for DC variation. So here by varying, here you are getting this type of waveforms. Again here is DC voltage is also increasing. So here three types of three waveforms we are seeing, R, Y and B.